Identity theft could happen anywhere. How can you protect yourself? Cybercrime is the fastest growing crime in America. Protecting your personal information is an ongoing exercise you need to make part of your everyday life. Here are 3 measures that can help you protect your identity. 1. Monitor your credit. That means safeguarding your credit cards and bank accounts from any fraudulent activity. 2. Keep your personal information safe. Important documents like birth certificates and social security cards should be kept in a safe, and all sensitive documents should be shredded prior to disposing. When possible, electronic statements should be used instead of mail, with strong distinctive passwords. 3. Add identity theft protection to your insurance policy. This coverage can help keep tabs on your identity and monitor your credit activity. In the event an identity theft occurs, it can help cover losses associated with the crime. As diligent as you are, you may need added protection to keep identity thieves at bay. Your neighborhood trusted choice independent insurance agent can help. They work with you to choose the right coverage from the right company to safeguard what's yours, your identity. Be independent. Go independent.